Today's date is the 3rd of May 2026. The time now is 1:15 p.m. This video is on the Muco Cybernetics interface. I'm expressing that the goal of this video is to determine the kind of hindsight process involved as a cognitive algorithm. What do I mean? I can't leave my body, you know, but my brain can compute realities of the real world. I can't leave my body, but I have three different realities. My reality is Uche, U for umbrella, C for Charlie, H for hamburger, E for echo, the observer. Uh, um, uh, uh, um, no, Uche is the observer. He is when and whenever. He is when and whenever. He's basically when and when in time and wherever in space. Again, he's when in time and wherever in space. You have Obi. Obi feels. Obi is there and you get there and then. There and then. Obi is there and then. He's the consumer. No, he's the actuator. He's the actuator. He feels. He can be. No, he's the consumer. He consumes what's in the world by observing. And you get here and now. Here in there and then in space. There in time. There and then in space. In the physical space-time fabric. And here and now. Here and now. And past and present. For all past, present, and future. These are the fabrics of space-time. The Muco uh, cybernetics cybernetics UI interface I'm trying to build must not break. The tripolar cognition cybernetics. This cognition is about ability to want to do something. Say if I have a tennis ball and I'm playing tennis, and I calculate the trajectory. Or if I'm playing basketball, and I calculate of an angular shot, a 2 pointer, a 3 pointer shot. You know, there are three states of this 3 pointer shot based on my conclusion. My ability to do something at all times. It's only when there's a certainty that 7 is based on three observers and the objective of the dimensional game theory, which is basically the game's gameplay. When a shot has been taken, that collaborates to one definite state. No, no. I mean, they share one reality. Imagine me shooting a taking a basketball shot, and I'm at the 3 pointer marker, which is opposite, the basketball net. And I have the basketball and I take a shot. That's a straightforward shot. Now, I have a 2 pointer, one at the edges of they observe the same reality. They share one reality because we're facing inwards. I'm trying to model this as a polar qubit spin system where everyone they can all share one reality of space and time, based on the qubit spin philosophy. A qubit is a classical bit, it's a quantum bit in a classical system that cube bits, not a binary bit. There is a qubit spin that spins in quantum is pi away, so it spins. But more specifically, I'm trying to define this algorithm now. So, func or def get program PID. Look up a program state. So when you look up a program state, you you originally hold the two other states, and by holding, is the two other states become immutable. What do I mean by that? So if the observer is a soft point, represents a soft pointer to a program, a soft pointer. If I want to get PID of a program state, get process ID, I have I have three soft pointers when the program is executing. But as soon as I acquire a program state, this I acquire a program state, I'm using it. It's in effect. By this effect, having this effect, you immediately lock the two hard pointers. So you lock two pointers of hard and hard. So for example, if OB is observing, no, if SJ is observing, Uche is observer. The observer observes via there and then from the I need to get a battle shot, and the basketball shot is being taken by Eze. Eze is the 3-pointer line. I mean 2-pointer line, because it's just a facing the net, Is it 2-pointer, 3-pointer? Yeah, 2-pointer line, 2-pointer line, facing a basketball net. So it's just literally 2-pointer line, and Eze takes the shot from here. The two programs represent two hard pointers. So OBR is a hard pointer, Eze is a hard pointer, but as soon as OB Uche observe this, he's a soft pointer and can be mutated because mutation, acquiring a process is a process, takes over control of the observer. The observer observing that reality has no effect on the OB and Eze states. So the tripolar condition cybernetics interface for Muko OS represents acquiring and locking states dynamically. It's a dynamic lock. Because if OB has a hard pointer and OB has a hard pointer, that means either Uche, or Eze, not and, have a hard pointer. If OB has a soft pointer, he's being the observer, he's being the actuator, being used to instruct the system. So my goal is to model this as tripolar consistent of three realities that share two topological neutral states. I hope I'm right about that. But this is a program that has three states at once. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe.